Affiliate marketing is a lucrative business model that has gained immense popularity over the years. It's a type of performance-based marketing where an affiliate promotes a product or service of a merchant and earns a commission for every sale or action made through their unique affiliate link. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that anyone can do it, regardless of their experience or skill level. However, to make money through affiliate marketing, you need to have the right strategies in place. I will share with you some proven methods for making money through affiliate marketing. Choose the right niche. The first and foremost step to making money through affiliate marketing is to choose the right niche. Your niche should be something that you are passionate about and have a good understanding of. It should also be profitable and have a high demand for products or services. To find the right niche, you can use keyword research tools such as Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs. These tools will help you identify the search volume and competition level for your niche. Select the right affiliate programs. Once you have chosen your niche, the next step is to select the right affiliate programs. Look for affiliate programs that offer high commissions, have a good reputation, and have products or services that are relevant to your niche. Some popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, Clickbank, and Commission Junction. Build a website or blog. To promote your affiliate products, you need to have a platform to showcase them. Building a website or blog is the best way to do this. Your website should have high-quality content that is relevant to your niche. You can create blog posts, product reviews, and tutorials to attract your target audience. Make sure your website is user-friendly and optimized for search engines. Drive targeted traffic. To make money through affiliate marketing, you need to drive targeted traffic to your website. There are several ways to do this, including search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. SEO is the most effective way to drive organic traffic to your website. You can use keyword research and on-page optimization to improve your website's visibility in search engines. Build a loyal audience. Building a loyal audience is crucial for making money through affiliate marketing. Your audience should trust and value your recommendations. Engage with your audience through social media, email marketing, and comments on your website. Offer value and solutions to their problems. Provide honest and unbiased reviews of the products you promote. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online. However, it requires hard work, dedication, and the right strategies. By choosing the right niche, selecting the right affiliate programs, building a website or blog, driving targeted traffic, and building a loyal audience, you can create a profitable affiliate marketing business. Remember, success in affiliate marketing takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it.